little bit smaller so that, what cut is that? Chatty, I don't remember. I don't know. I don't remember. It's from Costco. I don't remember. I just know that I think it's beef. I think. Don't ask questions. I think it may be Scotch fillet roast. I don't remember. It's got too much connective tissue to be Scotch fillet. I don't know. Not labeled? Yeah. This was, I did this before I read First Things First and learned how to label and freeze meat correctly. She knows she thinks it's beef. Yeah. I know, I think I know. So I'm just chopping into chunks and then we're going to shred it. So the best thing to do is when you're portioning out bulk meat, labeling it, preparing it in freezer-safe bags, thicker bags, and labeling it. It's not chicken, definitely true. Oh, another onion. Where'd that come from? Put that over there. Okay, onions looking a bit good. Oh, yes. Unfortunately, on my side, lately, European. On my side, it is. Skulls. Oops, sorry. It is 2 times. Unfortunately, on my side, it is late. You're in Belgium? It is late for you? An early morning? Do you have to go to sleep, Skulls? It's lovely to see you. Okay, so I'm coming in here because we're going to add some barbecue seasoning. So I would recommend using the barbecue spice mix from First Things First. I don't have it, the recipe in front of me, so we'll make it in the next stream. Game day food today. We're making Space Jam food, basketball food. When you go to a basketball game, hot dogs, nachos. Okay. Gonna get a bowl. Oh, for the jam, to remind to put a small dish in the freezer. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Putting the bowl in the freezer now. Thanks, Shaddy. Okay. Turn that off the heat, didn't I? So, in here. I rarely eat at a sports event. Do you? It's expensive, isn't it? Oh, thank you, One Up. I appreciate that. We appreciate that. So, if you guys see, you'll be able to hear Exceed. He's the man behind the scenes. There we go. He's just dealing with some stuff at the moment. But he is around. So we co-create the channel. And he is the master behind a lot of the tech. Alright, so I'm doing some hatch chili powder that we got given from Maria from 2 Girls 1 Game. So I'm adding some brown sugar. We're adding some garlic powder. I don't know if he rang the realtor again. Garlic powder. Onion powder. This didn't come out. The update on the dishwasher, Roselli. He rang the company from the dishwasher, like the repair place, and they said that they've been waiting on a quote to be accepted from the real estate agents from the 4th. Where I messaged her and she said, yeah, it's been approved. So maybe there's some miscommunication there, because she told me it was being approved. Or she's lying to me. We're going to add some oregano. Some pepper. So the brown sugar in there is going to add... Shit. Way too much pepper. The whole pepper jar fell into... Oh my god. Oh my god, that's way too much pepper. Oh my god. I think I've saved it. Oh my god, so much pepper. I was going to put chili in there, but I think we got enough pepper. I heard the agent was out for inspection, but wasn't sure. Oh, yeah. I don't think he's got hold of her yet. I think he's going to call her back later. Okay, and the most important thing about this is tasting it. Making sure it's well and truly mixed together, and then taste it. I like to add a little bit of paprika in there too. I bet he wants to get a hold of her, alright? Okay, so you got some sweetness coming from your brown sugar. Some spiciness coming from your pepper or chili. We're going to add in some liquid smoke in there as well. And I'm going to add a tin of tomatoes just to help bulk it up. That's coconut milk. If I was a tin of tomatoes, where would I be? I would be under here in the bulk container. Triturata di Pomodoro Italiano. Conga Foods Incorporated. These have been imported, kosher certified Italian tomatoes. Alright. What else did I say I was going to add? Liquid smoke. Let's go in here. Okay. So. So pop that in there. Pop it all in. Tomatoes. That. Liquid smoke. I don't have a recipe. But it's instead of making a barbecue sauce and then adding a barbecue sauce, I'm just kind of making it in the pot as I go. And then we need some water. Water.
Question.
Yes.
This is for everyone. Who is your favourite Looney Tune?
Oh. It's got to be Bugs, doesn't it? Or Porky? Let's forget about Porky. Give it a little mix. And we're going to pressure cook it for about 40 minutes. Oh, I don't even know. Let's go with 35 minutes. So, I didn't... Oh, no. I did a boo-boo. I didn't sear the meat, but it's okay. Pop that in there. Pressure cook, function pressure for 35 minutes. Marvin the Martian. Okay, put it on high, lock it in, press play. Bob's your uncle. Tweety Elmer Fudd. I would love to taste the marmalade. Okay, hot dogs. Back onto hot dogs. Okay, do you toast or warm up the bread? I was obsessed with Tweety as well. Okay, so back when I was young, it was cool to have like embroidered clothes. Like I used to have a denim skirt that had embroidery on it. And one of my grandma made it for me, and she embroidered Tweety on it, and it had like different. I do remember it had Cartman on there as well. Embroidered Cartman and Tweety. I do remember that. I gotta find the picture of the. You use by the hot dogs. So what were the team? The Space Jam. Who were the other team? Their opponents, the bad guys. You're still young. Tax was a close second. Oh, and Yosemite Sam. So many good ones. Taz was a second. Yeah. I'm a bit tired, Jess. I think it's the onions making my eyes really. Bad guys were aliens, monsters, I think. But did they have a team name? The Monstars, that's it. Okay, we're gonna have a look at this. This is our jam. I'll turn the heat off this time. This is our space jam. Who's ready? He wants more hot dogs, yeah. So, I might actually add a chopped up apple in there because I have an apple in the fridge. The apple, you won't really taste it, but the pectin will break down and make it... Oh, it's so good! So you can see your pith is starting to cook down. Also the mandarin. We're making space jam. Yeah, we're gonna stir through. I know you're being a smart aleck. We're gonna stir through some glitter to make it look like it's a kind of like galaxy kind of thing. Yeah, we're making space jam. So good. So, let's peel some apple. One apple, I think. Which has more pectin. We've got two. Let's do two.